I think this is a really
actually,
important point
yeah,
because unlike software where we can look at the code and see what's going on theoretically, with AI, you're saying that we don't know why it's making the decisions that it's making because we
that's right.
can't get inside.
One note of optimism is that it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. Like there's a subfield of machine learning called mechanistic interpretability and a broader subfield called interpretability more generally that's trying to solve that problem and trying to take these trained artificial neural nets and piece them apart and understand like how the information is flowing and how the decisions are being made, so to speak. The problem is just it's a very inherently hard problem. If you have 10 trillion connections to look at, you can look at any particular group of them and be like, okay, so this is how like this particular connection works. But like, how do you get a sense of the whole? You know, how do you get a sense of like what's happening at a high level? And the answer is, well, it might be impossible. But people are working on it and they are making progress. And if they can make enough progress, then we're in a very different and much brighter world. I think that it would be much less likely for us to get into those loss of control scenarios if we could just actually see what our AIs were thinking and why and how at any given time.